Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is traditional Moroccan tagine made with beef or lamb and green peas and artichoke. It's very easy, delicious and really nutritious. We take the tagine and we pour some olive oil there. The same recipe you can do it on your regular pot if you like to. Then add some chopped onions. I will leave them cook until they become golden. Before that I add the meat into it. I will cover it and leave it cook. For the meat I'm adding spices. Is salt and black pepper. Always when we add the black pepper is for the ginger is twice the quantity of black pepper. I have some garlic here, ginger and turmeric. I will say it again: salt, pepper, ginger, turmeric, some chili powder, and I add here some olive oil, and I will mix all the meat together with spices. Now when the onions soften a little bit, I add my meat. You see, it looks as it's a quantity of meat right there, but when you will cook, it will cook down. It will not stay that much meat like. If you can marinate this meat in the spices a few hours before, it will be good. For the artichoke, I buy the frozen one. You can buy the fresh one, and I boil it in some water, salted water, to become soft. For the meat, I turn it to the other side. You got all the flavor from the spices. Now I add a little bit of water, not that much water, and I will cover the tagine and leave the meat cook really well before that I start adding the vegetables. The meat is almost done here. I add my green peas, that's a frozen ones, and I like to add some potatoes to this tagine. The traditional way they add only the green peas and artichoke, but I like potatoes too on this on the tagine in general. I put the same spices that I add to the meat to the potatoes and artichoke before that I add them to the tagine. I put a little bit salt, pepper, little bit turmeric and ginger. Like that all the vegetables have the spices on them. And I put it on a nice way like that. Then I will cover everything and leave all the vegetables cook also. Now the tagine, it's ready. My vegetables are tender. I touch them with the knife. I test them. They are very tender, and I taste a little bit of the gravy. It's delicious and don't need no more spices. And this is the final result: a very delicious tagine with green peas and artichoke. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in a new video, a new recipe, and enjoy.